Hello everyone, I am Monique Smith. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. I do videos about makeup, music, and just ridiculousness. I don't take myself too seriously, but I just love to play with makeup and have fun and be creative. So if that sounds like something you'd enjoy, please keep watching. And also, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can know when all of my future videos are uploaded. I hope you enjoy the video, okay? So for today's video, I am going to do a October look. I decided to go with colors that are more orange and also just shimmery and beautiful. And so I am mainly going to be using the Beige Mimosa palette. I've heard about Beige for a long time and I had never purchased their products before. They're very affordable. This is only $18 for this whole palette. So if you're looking for something that's affordable and you can create a lot of different looks with, then this is definitely a good palette for you. So let's go ahead and get right to it. The first thing I'm going to do is add the Pore Refining Solutions by Clinique. This is going to fill in my pores, and this is just going to be my base before I put on my makeup. The next product I'm going to use is by Wet n Wild. It's Photo Focus Face Primer, Dewy, and this is going to really create a luminosity to my skin. I kind of like adding this kind of more on the outside part of my skin. And one thing I did forget to mention is I did do my eyebrows before I went on camera, and this is the first time I've used this product. It is by Lime Crime. It's called Bushy Brow Precision Pen, and it's in the color Brownie. So basically it's just a pen like this, and you just kind of draw in the little hairs in your eyebrows. This is my second time using it. So far I like it. I'm still kind of learning how to use it, so I didn't want to bore you by doing that on camera. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to do our eyes. So I didn't take out any of my brushes. Why didn't I do that? I need this coffee right now. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Maybelline New York concealer. It's Fit Me, and it's in the color 10 Fair. And I'm going to use this as a primer for my eyes. So I just put it on my hand like that. And then I'm going to use a concealer brush, and I'm just going to use it as a base. Okay, so first for my eyes, I'm going to use the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner, and it's in the color Vivid Delight. And I've never used these before. I'm trying to be more adventurous, so we're going to try this out. We're going to start with the liner, and then we'll kind of go in with the shadow on top of it. Put on Thomas and Friends for my son so I could finish this video. Okay. One side done. And now I'm going to use the Mimosa BH palette, and I'm going to be using this color right here. It's called Sunny. Okay, now I'm going to come in with the color OJ. I'm just kind of going along with it, so I'm not going to pretend like I have an exact plan. Kind of did, kind of don't. We're just figuring this out. Now I'm going to go in the inner corner with the color Champagne. Now I'm going to use this really beautiful guava color. We're going to use that right here. And these colors are really, really pretty and very blendable. And I really like this brand so far. I can see why so many people like it. And at the price point, it's like really amazing. So I'm just kind of blending it in. And this color almost like completely blends into the eyeliner, so that's really nice. This is really bringing it together. I'm gonna come back in and kind of blend out the orangey color a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna take that same guava color and I'm gonna kind of go over the area where I put the eyeliner. So going over the line, it's really making it come together because the eyeliner isn't so harsh now. And it's really kind of bringing it all together. Okay, my camera, well, my battery on my camera totally died, so we're back in business, people. All right, let's see if I can get this done before my son comes upstairs. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the orange. Now we're gonna go ahead and put on the face makeup. Today I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation, and it is in the color 220 Natural Beige. The great thing about this pump, or the great thing about this foundation, is that it has a pump. So I'm just gonna pump it onto my hand. And first I'm gonna use a Morphe Y6 brush just to get it on the face. You always want to make sure you get the foundation on your ears because you want everything to look even. And also don't forget to go underneath your chin and down your neck. I'm going to go in with a beauty sponge by, I think it's pronounced Aesthetica. And you can get these off of Amazon. These are really cheap beauty blenders. So I'm going to go in, and this is dry. Now I'm going to go back in with the concealer and go underneath the eyes. Just going to put it down the center of my nose, on the sides of my nose. Now I'm going to use some AIRSPUN loose face powder for underneath my eyes. Okay, now what we're going to do, I'm going to wipe this off. I just like to put a lighter powder underneath my eyes because it brightens them. And I put a little bit of the light powder up here, but I'm kind of playing around with different things. But I'm going to also use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Fair Light number 10. And a little bit of a darker color, and I'm going to use this more around the outside of my makeup. Next I'm going to use the Wet n Wild bronzer, and it's called Sunset Striptease. It's 742B. A little bit of that. Next I'm going to use a blush by Wet n Wild as well called Pearlescent Pink. It has little sparklies in it. It kind of shows up a little bit, but not too much. And I really like this color. I just started using it. I used it in my Wet n Wild video with all Wet n Wild products. And it's really pretty, but it's nice. It's subtle. It's not too crazy. For a highlighter, I have been using the OFRA brand. It's called Rodeo Drive. It's been used a lot, so. And I like to use the Morphe R, I believe it's R35. I can't see, I've used this brush too many times. And something I didn't show on camera is before I started, I used a lip butter, Shea Cherry lip butter by Jordan Essentials, and they make products that are really natural, so I really like this, so I'll put a little bit more on. And it's good to put on a balm before you start doing your makeup, just so that your lips are ready and they're not all dry when you're trying to put on your lip products. Okay, next I'm going to use a NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk, and I'm going to put this underneath in the waterline of my eye. Going for dramatic here, so. Then I'm going to go back in with the Guava color underneath my eyes. And then over that I'm going to use the OJ color. Next I'm going to use a mascara by Essence. It's called Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. This is waterproof, and this is actually my second time using it. I have seen some really great reviews on it, so I like it so far. So we're going to go ahead and put the mascara on first before we put on false lashes. If you have any of the mascara fall onto your eye, just wait for it to dry and then go in with a Q-tip, and it'll be really easy to take off if that happens. And then I'm just using an e.l.f. tool. It's a lash and brow wand. And I'm going to use that to just kind of brush out my lower lashes so it doesn't look clumpy and it's more even. Next we're going to put on some false eyelashes. Today I'm using Ardell Wispies. Okay, now that we've popped on some false eyelashes, it is time for the lips, and then we are done. Hallelujah! I kind of feel like a mannequin a little bit. So first I'm going to outline my lips with a Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, and it is called Pillow Talk. This is just going to be kind of like my base. Then over this lip liner I'm going to use the Maybelline, we have a theme here with Maybelline, Superstay Ink Crayon, and the color is, where's the color? Oh, Laugh Louder. So pretty. Next we are going to use the LA Color Lip Mousse, and this color is Attitude. Don't you love airplanes? All right. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful Halloween and harvest season. Whatever you're going to dress up as, please comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear it. And also let me know what your kids are going to be. Are you going to do a whole family theme? I love it when people do that. That's so fun. Have a great day, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that you can get all of my future videos, and have a wonderful day. Why am I having such a hard time with just the intro? Oh my gosh, why can't I talk? Hi everyone, I'm Monique Smith. Welcome to... Oh my gosh. Is the glue stuck to my lid? Whoa. Then over this lip liner... Jeez, there's spit everywhere. Jeez. Oh my god. I'm just so afraid of getting lipstick on my